At the heart of the Encore system is the Nordson Encore manual spray gun, the lightest, most versatile, and well-balanced spray gun made. Nordson engineers designed the Encore gun with the powder hose connected through the gun handle as opposed to the gun tip. This gives the gun better reach and maneuverability. Plus, it's the only spray gun system with true closed-loop airflow for more consistent and repeatable coating coverage, efficiency, and quality of finish. True performance-on-demand features allow you to change settings easily and effortlessly, on the fly, with digital displays right on the gun. No other powder spray gun allows you to purge from the gun, change and display presets, or control powder flow like the Nordson Encore. To control a preset from the gun, press the Mode button until the icon is lit. The display shows the current preset number. Push the auxiliary trigger switch on the handle up or down until the preset number you want is displayed. Now, when you squeeze the trigger, you'll spray with the preset settings. The Encore gun controller can also control the powder flow in two ways: Classic Flow Mode or Smart Flow Mode. In Classic Flow Mode, the on-gun display shows powder flow in cubic feet per minute or cubic meters per hour. In Smart Flow Mode, the on-gun display shows powder flow as a percentage of total flow. Whatever the coating application, Nordson offers a wide variety of nozzles and deflectors. But before you change a nozzle, be sure to purge the gun and then disable the gun and controller. To replace a nozzle, unscrew the nozzle nut counterclockwise with a quick, simple quarter turn and pull the nozzle off the electrode assembly. Then, put the new nozzle on and reinstall the nozzle nut.